Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Pro Power onboard 9.6 kilowatt generator. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice tailgate step with this vehicle as well. A nice black extended gripped running board with a bed camera as well. We do get a side view camera as well. Blind spot detection, you got a light right here as well. A nice place to plug in your vehicle, which is all pretty handy. And moving to the front, we do get that signature LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle. We get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega-powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get more storage underneath as well with the mobile power cord. You do get your nice lights as well. It even gives you an example for like golf clubs, which is pretty nice because it gives you a lot of storage. Your Pro Power onboard right there, which you can turn on and off. And to close, all you have to do, hit this button right there and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice gray cloth interior. Plenty of door space. Carpeted interior, you do get some cup holders, outlets, rear vents, and 120 volt outlet with a tire pressure system. So it's basically, you can fill up your tire pressure from there as well, which is pretty nice. And you do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 106 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Field, Truck, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, with more storage here, USB, USB-C, little coin slot, Pro Trailer Assist with heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, and 120. Clicking here, we do get a 360 view of your vehicle, and you can select the different camera angles, which is pretty handy. Hazards and traction, storage above and below, storage right here as well. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls as well. Navigation. Fave apps, messaging, email, Pro Power onboard, zone lighting, charge settings, drive modes, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do get a public charging app as well, which will locate your nearest public charger. Settings. And your features of the vehicle, such as drive modes, which we're going to click into. You do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, and one pedal drive. And looking here, we have Pro Power onboard, charge settings, owner's manual, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG10031, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.